What's up, my dudes? You know what time it is. It's Totally Tubular 2-Minute Tool Time Tuesday. Let's go check out this week's tool. So this week we're gonna go over this Totally Tubular 2-Minute Tool Time tool. So we're gonna go ahead and put 2 minutes on the clock and talk about this bad boy. So you may be saying to yourself, well, that just looks like some sort of rivet tool. Well, it kinda sorta is. This is a rivet nut setter. So some people call them riv nut setters. You can also call it a poly nut kit, call it a nut zert. There are lots of different names for this tool. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and insert a little clip of me using this, and then I'll kind of show you how this works. Riv nut time. Now, why might you want to do this? The reason you want to do this is because maybe you don't want to get behind a piece of sheet metal after the fact and have to put a nut to go ahead and screw something down. Also, maybe you don't want to use a machine screw like a tech screw and just have the metal just grabbing. You want to have it going into something that you know is going to be a little more structurally sound. Using one of these, the actual riv nut itself or the nut zert itself, and the riv nut setter tool, what you're able to do is just screw this on. Once you have it screwed into place, you're just going to adjust the tip of the tool, and by using this area right here. So you're just going to go ahead and just adjust that. As you can see, we can go out further or shorter. What you want is just the tip of the tool to just kind of poke out, just like that. And now we have that, and then we're going to put this into our hole where we can use it as a nut. So we're actually riveting in a nut. That's why they call it a rivet nut. So these are pretty awesome. These are like a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool, if you ask me. The tool also comes with different pieces, so you're able to change out the end pieces. So in my hand right here, I have an 832 screw and I have the 832 riv nut. As you can see, it just kind of goes on there, and I'm gonna show you what happens when we drill a hole and how this actually looks. So using race car stuff, you know that carbon fiber is totally freaking cool for a totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drill a quick little hole into this piece of carbon fiber right, 1/4-inch hole. Now what we can do is take our riv nut setting tool and we are just going to place it into that hole. Then we can just go ahead and take the tool, keep it held in there, squeeze down on it to do the rivet. And as you can see, now you can see my riv nut in this piece of carbon fiber, and you can see the threads inside of there, which is super, super trick. So we just took a flat piece of carbon fiber and made it into something that we can now screw a bolt into. This is a 832 screw. I hope you guys learned a little bit about this tool. I think that it's a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool because I love using it on those custom little projects where you want something to look really clean. And to me, it's just super race car. So anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Go ahead and drop a like down below. Hit subscribe if you guys have not. And let me know what you might want to see next week for a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. All right, later guys, wrench on.